Okay, good evening everyone. Okay, let's start today's class. In today's class, we're going to discuss the most important topic of banking examination, which is coded inequalities. I'm going to start with the coded inequalities. Before I start the class, I request you all to please share this class with all your friends and relatives. I want a maximum number of students to be in the class. Because maximum number means what? Maximum number of students means maximum engagement. Maximum engagement means what? That will make the class more and more interesting. I want each one of you to participate in the class. Yeah, Achal, Jayan, Abhishek, very good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, now if I talk about this topic has a minimum weightage of 4 to 5 questions in your any of the banking examinations. If I talk about in general how many questions is going to ask, so these 5 questions is going to ask in your pre-examinations. In your pre-examination, examiner is going to ask 5 questions from this topic. Now what is my objective? Objective is to score 5 out of 5. Come what may, we have to score 5 out of 5. Today, in today's class, we are late by 5 minutes because English classes was going on and I have to start after the English class, so I was late by 5 minutes. Moreover, I was ready at 6 o'clock, but because of the English class get finished by 6:04, so we have to start by 6:05. Every day the class should be start on time, or 6 o'clock is the official timing for the class to start. So we'll start by 6 o'clock every evening. Okay, in every class we have to understand a new concept, and thereafter we have to go for the number of questions. So in today's class we are going to go for coded inequalities. Clear? Okay, now if I talk about this topic, in any of your banking examinations, 3 types of questions is going to be asked from this topic. Examiner will ask 3 types of questions from this topic. First question is what? When combined statement will be given to you. Combined statement will be given to you. And then one combined statement will be given to you, and thereafter you have to check the conclusion. One statement, combined statement will be given to you, and thereafter you have to find the conclusion, which conclusion is correct. And second one, they will not give the combined statement, but now you have to combine the statement. So in the second one, you have to combine, uncombined statement will be given to you. Uncombined statement will be given to you. So here your first job is to combine the statement, and after combining the statement, you have to say out of the given conclusion, which conclusion is correct. Clear? In the first part, they will give the combined statement, and in the second part, they will give the uncombined statement, and then your job is to combine the statement first, and thereafter you have to say out of the given conclusion, which conclusion is correct. In third part, this part is going to come in your PO examination. Here also, they will give an uncombined statement. Here they will give uncombined statement, and thereafter your job is to combine the statement, and thereafter you have to check the conclusion. Clear? So basically in this topic, we are going to deal with statement and conclusion. One statement will be given to you, and the statement will be in terms of inequalities. The statement will be in terms of inequalities. So your job is to combine the statement, and thereafter you have to check the conclusion. For example, just see, this is type number 1. This will be type number 1. One combined statement will be given to you, and thereafter you have to say if this statement is correct, then out of these 2 conclusions, which conclusion is correct. Okay, this is the most basic part of inequalities, and 100% this is not going to come in examination. In banking examinations, they will give uncombined statement, and then you have to combine and you have to get the answer. So this is not going to come, but we have to start from the basic. Firstly, we have to understand how to get the relation from any combined statement, and thereafter we have to understand how to combine the statement. Uncombined statement will be of 2 types, my dear. 2 types. One is going to come in your other government examination, one-day examination. If I talk about SSC, if I talk about railways, UPSC, so in that examination they will give the basic part of this topic. But in banking level, the format will be the same. They will give uncombined statement. Your job is to combine the statement, but the nature of the statement is going to be changed. The nature of the statement will be different. Anyone, any problem? Anyone, any problem? All those who are in the class, please respond here, because one-way communication is not good for the class. The class has to be always a 2-way communication. If you communicate with me in the class, then it will make the class more and more interesting. I will be more interested to thereafter. But if you don't respond, then the class will be one-sided, and that will be simply a formalities, nothing more than this. And I'm not here to make any formalities in the class. One part of reference will be left. Okay. Yeah, Achal, we will cover that once we will cover the previous year questions. Already I have told you. Once I wind up this topic, then we will go for previous year questions of both the topics, direction and then after the coded inequalities. In that previous year, I will purely focus on banking, whatever they have asked in your banking examinations. Clear? So don't worry, I will cover that. Apart from Achal, anyone, any problem, please respond, my dear, because we are about to start the class. We are about to understand the concept now. Okay. Subbu is giving only one is the answer. Okay, very good. Only one is the answer. We will go for the answer once we understand the concept. So first is we have to understand the concept. Now let's start with concept now. See, whenever they will give coded inequalities, whenever this word inequality is going to come. So inequality means what? Inequality means something which are not equal. Inequality means what? Something which are not equal. Okay. So in this topic, mostly you're going to see symbol like this. One symbol will be like this, one symbol will be like this, one will be like this, one will be like this, and one will be like this. So inequalities means what? When two persons are not of the equal age. If two variables are not equal, then they are called as inequality, unequal. Inequality means unequal. So moreover, in this topic, we are going to deal with these symbols. Now, whenever this symbol is going to come, we always used to say this is nothing but greater than. This is nothing but greater than. This is nothing but smaller than. Same idea. Most of you know this. What is this symbol stands for? I know you know this. But my job is to start from the basic. So with keeping this in my mind, my assumption is you are reading this topic for the first time. And since you are reading this topic for the first time, that is my assumption, my dear. Might be you know about this topic. Might be you know everything about this topic. But whenever any class I am going to start, I will start from the basic. Under the assumption that you are reading this topic for the first time, I will start from basic and then we will go for advanced level. See, this topic will take 3 classes. I am going to wind up this topic in 3 classes. 3 hours I am going to spend with this in this topic, and thereafter my commitment is, and whatever question is going to come, you will be able to crack the question in the exam. Don't worry. Clear? Okay. Now, what is this symbol stands for? What is this symbol stands for? Now, this symbol stands for greater than, or equal to. Most of you say and equal to. That in between greater than and equal to, it must be or. Now, what about this one? This is nothing but smaller than or equal to. See, in today's class, I will simply cover the basic type. Basic part I am going to cover in today's class. And advanced level I am going to start from the next class tomorrow. But basic is very, very important. Once you understood the basic, then only you can go for the higher level questions. Now, this is what? This is nothing but equal to. This is nothing but equal to. Clear? I think you all know this. What is this? Smaller than, greater than or equal to, smaller than, equal to. I hope everybody knows this. But still I am repeating this in the class because I am assuming I am starting from the basic. Now let's see. If somebody says like this, A, this. So we always read this as A is greater than B. We always read this as A is greater than B. Suppose they have given like this, C, D. So I will say C is smaller than D. C is smaller than D. This is the way we used to read in the examination. Clear? Hanji, everyone, anyone, any problem? Till now, whatever we have discussed, anyone, any problem? See, even though this symbol always stands for greater than, this symbol always stands for less than. But in future, whenever this symbol is going to come in this topic, you should not read like this. You should not read like this. And this is the problem. We always read whatever that is given in the problem. What seems to be in the problem. But my job is to solve the problem with 100% accuracy. And that is only possible if you stop doing what others are doing. My job is not here to teach the reasoning. My job is to make you different from others, and this is the way I can make you different from others. Clear? So in future, whenever this statement is going to come, now how to read this one? See, if they have given like this, so first thing, since A and B are coming together, please understood it very carefully. Now I am giving you the concept. So now whenever this is going to come, A symbol B, so first thing, since A and B has got one symbol between them, means A and B must have one relation. A and B must have one relation. And out of A and B, this is nothing but the face of the person. Always you have to see the face. Always you have to see the face. Once I give the example, you will understand why I am saying like this. So just wait for 5-10 minutes. So here what I will say, that since we have got one symbol between A and B, means A and B will have some relation. And out of A and B, the faces will be towards A. Always you have to see the face. Always you have to see the face, because this is the place where we will commit mistake in the exam. So don't see greater than is smaller than. Try to see face is towards which side, A or B. Suppose they have given like this, C, D. So what I will say, since C and D has got one symbol between them, means C and D will have one relation. C and D will have one relation. And what I will say, face is towards D. Always you have to see face. Understood? Clear? My dear, don't read the symbol. Try to see the face of the person. Face of the person you have to say. Suppose they have given like this, P equal to Q. So equal to will never trouble you in the exam. Equal to is a silent featured man. He will never trouble you in the exam. Whenever these symbols is going to come, greater or smaller, they will trouble you in the exam. So always see the face. Face is towards which person. So whenever equal to is going to come, I will say what? Face is equal to both of them. Face is equal to both of them. Clear? My dear, at least respond in the class. At least respond in the class. If this is clear, write clear, sir. No problem. Clear? Okay, now tell me. If they have given something like this, what you will say for this? What you will say for this? What you will say for this? So here I will say, since S and T has got one face between them, so they must have got the relation. And I will say, face is towards either S or equal to S. I will say like this. Means face will be either towards S or maybe equal to S. Maybe equal to S. Dear, always you have to see the face. You are not supposed to see the symbol. You have to see the face of the person. Suppose in one statement, my job is to find the relation between two person P and Q. Suppose there are two person P and Q. And once I have found the relation between P and Q, my relation comes out to be this. My relation comes out to be this. Now in the conclusion they have given first to be this and second to be this. Now please tell me, out of these two, which one is correct? Out of these two, which one is correct? These two are the conclusion that has given to me. Suppose once I find the relation between P and Q. Suppose once I find the relation between P and Q, relation comes out to be this one. Now in the conclusion they have given first to be face is towards Q, second out of P the face is towards P. Which one is correct? Your options are, out of these two only one can be correct, both can be correct, or both can be wrong also. Both can be correct, both can be wrong, any one of them can be correct. Tell me, what's the answer? A is correct. Achal is saying A is correct. Achal is saying A is correct. Means this is correct. And this is the most common mistake done by the students in the exam. See, if I take the sample of 100 students, so out of 199 will say, yes, Guruji, A is correct, but A is wrong, and this is also wrong. Both are wrong. See, whenever any conclusion is given to you, that conclusion will be considered as correct if that is 100% correct. Any conclusion which I am marking as correct, correct means 100% correct. Remember this, remember this, remember this. Means what? Just see why this is wrong. See, this has got two possibility. This has got two possibility. First, the face will be either towards Q or face will be equal. This always has got two meaning. Either this is going to come or this is going to come. Probability of this is going to be what? 50%. Probability of this is going to be what? 50%. And 50% cannot be taken as 100%. You cannot consider anything which is 50% correct to be 100% correct. So because of this is also wrong and this is also wrong. Both of them is wrong. Clear? Understood what? Understood here? Understood, not understood? Same is over here. Suppose in the statement they have given A, this. Conclusion first, A, B. Second, A, B. So here most of the students, they will say, sir, this always means two part, A face is towards A or face will be equal. Since face is equal, this is correct, but this is wrong because again, same logic. Probability of this is 50%, probability of this is 50%, and 50% cannot be taken as 100%. So here I will say both of them is wrong. Because the two possibility can be face is towards A, here face is towards B. First is confirmly wrong. Second, A equal to B can be, but the probability is 50%, and 50 cannot be taken as 100%. Clear? My simple concept is you will mark any conclusion to be correct. You will mark any conclusion to be correct if that conclusion is 100% correct. If that is 90% correct, we will treat it as a wrong conclusion. 95% correct, wrong conclusion. Right conclusion means 100% correct conclusion. Always remember this. Clear? Okay. Now let's start. Now in today's class we have to understand two things. First, how to combine the statement. How to combine the statement. Whenever any statement will be given to you, uncombined statement will be given to you, then my first job is to combine the statement, and this art you have to understood because this sort of question is going to come in your banking examination. And second, once I combine the statement, how to find relation between any two variable, These two things you have to understood in today's class. Today's class I am going to focus on these two part only. First part, how to combine the statement, and second part, how to find the relation between any two variable in the statement. Clear? Okay. Okay, let's see what sort of uncombined statement they will give. See, here they have given combined statement, so here simply have to find the relation. We will find the relation in today's class only, but before that, let's understand the concept when they will give uncombined statement of basic type, how to combine the statement. For example, let's see this one. This is the first format of the problem when they will give statement like this. But moreover, these sort of statement is not going to come in your banking examination. But since we have to start from the basics, so I am going to cover this also in the exam. Because once you understood how to combine the statement, then only you can combine the higher level statements. Now here just see what they are saying. Here they are saying A is related to B and A and B will have equal to sign in between them. Faces are equal. The second they are saying C is related to F. C and F. See, if any two variables are coming adjacent to each other, it means they will have relation between them. And so here, if C and F are adjacent to each other, it always means C and F will have some relation between them. And in that relation, face is towards this side, F side, or can be equal to. This is how you have to see in the examination, dear. Please don't read smaller than equal to, because then you will make some blunder mistake in the exam. And this topic is very, very easy. Once you understood the concept, is very, very easy topic. And very easily you can score 5 out of 5 in the exam. Very easily. Without touching the pen, you can do it. How to solve without touching the pen, that we will discuss in the last class. In today's class, since we are understanding the basic concept, so let's touch the pen. Next one, G is related to C and face is towards G side. B is related to F and face is towards F side. Clear? Now let's see how to combine the statement. Let's see how to combine the statement. Whenever you have to combine the statement, you can start with any one of them. Let's start. I'm starting with the first one. So here what they are saying, A and B will have equal face in between them. So here I have written A and B. Just see, out of A and B, see, in the second one, we have got C and F, but C and F hasn't come over here. G and C has not come over here. But again here B and F. So I will say B will have relation with F. Since B will have relation with F means what? B and F will be adjacent to each other. Person having relation between them will be adjacent to each other. Very obvious, F cannot be come on this side because here already we have got A. So F will be over here and face is towards F. Now just see C and F. So what I will say, adjacent to F comes out to be C. And just see, face is towards what? F side. So just see, this smaller than has become greater than. That's why you are not supposed to see smaller than, greater than. Always see the face of the person. Clear, clear, clear. Now next one, I will say G is adjacent to C. C is over here. So next to C will be G. And face is towards G side. Again just see, this greater than has become smaller than. That's why every time I am saying don't see smaller than, greater than. Always try to see the face of the person. Understood or not understood? They are understood, not understood. I won't respond from each one of you. There and then only I will proceed further. If you don't respond, class is over. Okay, I got response from Nivedita only. Nivedita saying yes sir, understood. What about others? Hanji, understood, not understood. If you have not understood the concept, right sir, not understood, please repeat. I will repeat, no issues at all here. I repeat once more. I think some of you have not understood. See, here in this one, they have given 4 individual ungrouped statements. First, they have given A is related to B, C is related to F, G is related to C, and B is related to F. So whenever they will give uncombined statement, my first job is to combine them, and thereafter we have to find the relation. Till the time you will not combine them, you will not able to get the relation. So first job is to let's combine it. How to combine this one? So simply write the first one. Let's start with the first one. Here A is having relation with B and relation is equal to in between them. No face, equal to face. Okay. Next one. See, out of A and B, none has come in the second one. A and B not has come, but here B and F has come. So what I will say, next to B will be F. And face is towards F. Next one. F has come. F, next, C and F will be adjacent to each other. So C can't be over here because here it is B. So C will be over this side and face is towards what? F side. So F or equal to. And last one, G and C. Face is towards G. And this is how we have combined the statement. Clear? Okay. Let's go with the next one. Let's combine. Okay. Let's start. Start with the first one, A and H. A and H they have given and face is towards H or maybe equal to. Next one, H has come, so adjacent to H will be G. Adjacent to H will be G. And face is towards G. Just see greater than becomes smaller than. So please don't read greater is smaller. Always try to see the face of the person. Face of the person is towards which side. Now just see, G next will be what? M, and face is towards G, and after M it will be O, and face is towards M or equal to. Just see, greater than has become smaller than has become greater than. Clear? Again I am repeating, my dear, you are not supposed to see the face of the, you are not supposed to see greater than smaller than. Your job is to see the face of the person. Face of the person is towards which side? This is what you have to see. Clear? Okay, next one. Let's combine this one. Let's combine this one. Okay. Person next to F will be what? M, and face is towards F. M next will be what? A, face is towards M. A and R, so R and face is towards A. Then E and R and face is towards E. This is how we have to combine the given statement in the exam, because without combining you can't get the answer. Yes, we can get the answer, but that will be the last part of the class. How to get the answer without combination, that will be the last part. And that is only possible if you understood this concept. Clear? Okay, let's go for the next one. Start. A. Next is B. Face is towards A. Then M and B. So M will be over here and face is towards M. Just see, greater has become smaller. Next one, D and M. So next to M will be D and face is towards M. Just see, smaller has become greater. And thereafter D will have F and both will have equal to. Clear? This is how you have to combine the statement here. This is how you have to combine the statement. Let's combine this one. Everyone, let's combine this one. First I will say P and Q will be together. Then P and Q, no, none has come. P and Q, okay, Q and D. Q and D. So next to Q will be D and face is towards D. Next one, D and R will be together and face is towards D. Just see, smaller becomes greater. And R next to will be E and face is towards E. Just see, greater has become smaller. Clear? Now once you understood the concept of how to combine this statement, let's talk about how to get the relation between them. Just in banking, what sort of question is going to come? Just see. Just in banking, what sort of question is going to come? Just in banking examination, what sort of question is going to come? So if I talk about banking examinations, they will give the statement, but statement will be something like this. They will give like this. They will give uncombined statement with both the statement will be of bigger nature. So one statement they have given this, second they have given this, and now you have to find the relation. So here your job is what you have to combine the given two statement. How to combine these statements we will understood once you understood the basic concept. That's why I am focusing on basic concept. Are you clear? Okay, let's proceed. Now let's see if they have given the combined statement, how to find the relation. If they have given any combined relation, how to find the relation. See, here they have given the combined statement and you have to see whether out of these two which one is correct and why. Out of these two which one is correct and why. Okay. So now, my first job is to find the relation between F and D. So, please try to understand under what condition any relation is going to be possible between any two variable. Under what condition any relation is going to be possible between any two variable. For example, suppose I am taking this example just to explain this. Say I have given like this, the A, B, C, D. Now my job is to find out whether A and D will have relation between them or not. Whether B and D will have relation between them or not. Okay. Suppose statement something like this, and my job is to find out whether A and D will have relation between them or not. B and D will have relation between them or not. So under what condition any relation is going to exist between any two variable? Under what condition any relation is going to exist between any two variable? So always remember, say here we have to check between A and D. So just see all the signs between A and D. Just see all the signs between A and D. Here we have got three signs between A and D. Equal to will not trouble you at all, so leave equal to. Leave equal to. Now the condition says what? If all the symbols in between the given two variable, if all the symbols in between the given two variable are of the same phase, then only relation is going to be possible. I repeat, if all the symbols excluding equal to will not harm you at all, so leave equal to. Excluding equal to, if all the symbols between any two variable are of the same phase, then only the relation will exist. If both the faces is going to come, both the faces means what? One is facing towards this side, other is facing towards this side. If both the faces is going to come in between the variable, no relation is possible. This is the prime condition, this is the only condition to check the relation between any two variable. I repeat, two variable will have the relation between them if and only if all the faces between the two variable are of the same nature. Either all of them should be like this or all of them should be like this. Equal to doesn't make any sense. They might have equal to or may not have equal to. So here in the first one, if I have to check between A and D, what I will say, see this face is towards A and this face is towards D. Both the faces has come. No relation. No relation. Simple. Second one, you have to find the relation between B and D. Now just say B and D. Equal to, just leave equal to. We have only one face and faces is towards D. One face faces is towards D. So they will have the relation between them. They will have the relation between them and face is also towards D. And once relation is going to be established, thereafter you have to go for equal to. Once relation is going to be established, thereafter you have to go for equal to. Now what is the condition? Under what condition any two variable will have equal to in between them? Under what conditions any two variable will have equal to in between them? So the only condition for equal to is if all the symbols in between the two variable will have equal to, then only equal to is going to come. If all the symbols between any two variable will have equal to in between them, then only equal to is going to come. Just see it between B and D. Here also we have got equal to, here also we have got equal to, so equal to is going to come. So B and D will have the relation, and in that relation, face will be either towards D or equal to D. Clear everyone? Anyone, any problem? My dear, if you go like this, I don't think I will be able to continue this class anymore. Understood, not understood? Okay. Okay, let's check this one. First one, I have to check the relation between F and D. F and D. F is over here, D is over here. Okay. So if all the symbols will be of the same, all the faces are of the same nature, relation is going to be possible. If both the faces is going to come, relation is not possible. See here, between F and D, all the faces is towards D. Means what? Relation is possible and face will be towards D. Correct. Now since relation is established, so now I will go for equal to. So under what condition should I take equal to? If all the symbols in between the two variables will have equal to, I will take equal to. Now here just see, equal to is there, but equal to is not there. Means what? In between F and D, the only possible relation is face is towards D, and equal to is not going to come. Same they have given in the first, so first is correct. First is correct. Second one, A and S. A and S. Just see A and S. See, just see the face in between A and S. This is facing towards A, equal to limit, facing towards S. Both the face has come. This also and this, both the face has come means what? If both the faces has come means this will have no relation. No relation means what? Whatever they have given, that will be taken as wronger. Sir, please explain the equal to condition again. Okay. See, under what condition we are supposed to take equal to? Let's understand once more. A, B, C, D, E. Now, my job is to find the relation between A and D. My job is to find the relation between A and D. My job is to find the relation between B and E. My job is to find the relation between B and D. Let's assume this. I have taken simple one example that out of A and B, faces towards A, B and C towards B equal to, between C and D equal to face, D and E towards E. Now my job is to find out whether A and D will have relation between them or not, and if they have the relation, then face is towards which side? Face is towards which side? So just see A and D. So if I just see A and D, all the faces are towards A. All the faces are towards A. So we have got only one face between A and D. So they will have relation and face will be towards A. So they will have the relation and face will be towards A. Once relation is going to be established, then only you have to check for equal to. If relation does not exist, equal to you are not supposed to check in the exam. We will check equal to if and only if relation exists between any two variable. Okay. Now we have got the relation. So just see, equal to, when we are supposed to take equal to, if all the symbols will have equal to, then only we have to take equal to. If at any one face, if equal to is not there, we are not supposed to take equal to. We are not supposed to take equal to. Okay. Now let's check. A and D. See, here we have got equal to, here we have got equal to. Since here we doesn't have equal to, so we are not supposed to take equal to. So relation between A and D will be, face will be towards A. Face will be towards A. Now check B and E. B and E. Just say between B and E, both the faces has come. Both the faces has come means no relation. And no relation means what? No need to check equal to. We will check equal to only if relation exists between any two variable. If relation doesn't exist, in that case there is no point to go for equal to. Last one, B and D. Just say B and D. Now here B and D is what? Only one face towards B is going to come, so face will be over here. Now both the faces will have equal to. Here also we have equal to, here also we have equal to, so equal to is going to come. And this is the relation between B and D. And this is the relation between B and D. Understood or not understood? Clear or not clear? Okay, let's go for question number 2. Now here I have to check the relation between O and U. I have to check the relation between O and U. First one, O and U. O and U. O and U. Just see, all the faces is towards U. So face will be towards U. Since relation is established, so now I have to go for equal to. Equal to. Yes, equal to is also possible. Means in between O and U. If this is going to come, my conclusion will be correct. In between O and U, the faces must have to be towards U and must be equal to. See, in the first one they have given only equal to, which is wrong. In the second one they have given the face to be towards U, but they have not given equal to. This is also wrong. Clear? But try to understand one thing, my dear. This always means two things. Whenever this is going to come, always means two things. First, either both will be equal, or second case, the face will be towards you. Face will be towards you. And just see, this is given in the first and this is given in the second. Means what? Out of these two, one must has to happen. Out of these two, one must has to happen. So the answer will be either 1 or 2. See, I will clear the concept of either 1 or 2. What is this either 1 or 2? When, how to check either 1 or 2? I will clear the concept in one separate class. I will take one class to explain only for either or. And hopefully after that class, you will 100% understood the concept of either or. Clear? Okay, let's go for the next one. Tell me, what's the answer for this one? Here the first one, I have to find the relation between G and U. G and U. In between G and U, only one face towards U, and both have equal to, so equal to is going to come. So if this is as it is, if they have given the conclusion, that will be taken as right conclusion. Now here, my answer is face will be towards U and must be equal to. Here they have given face is towards U, but equal to they have not given. This must be wrong. It has to be as it is. It has to be as it is. Second one, J and R. J and R. J is over here, R is over here. Just see, face is towards J. Always see the face. Don't see, again I'm repeating, greater than, smaller than. It won't work in the exam. So I will say face is towards J. And here equal to, but equal to hasn't come, means I was not supposed to take equal to. So my final answer is, out of J and R, the face is towards J and it should not have equal to. Here also, face is towards J and equal to not given, so answer should be second, only second. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Okay, go for the next one. PQSP. Let's see who can give me the answer for this one. Let's see who can give me the answer for this one. What's the answer for this one? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Combined statement will be given to me. So now between P and Q, between P and Q, P and Q, both the symbols has come, both the faces has come, so no relation. No relation first is wrong. No relation first is wrong. Second one, they have given S and P, S and P. Between S and P, what I can see? All the faces are towards S. So face must be towards S. So they will establish one relation. They must have one relation. And face is towards S. Now equal to, equal to, equal to. Everywhere equal to has come, so equal to must be there. So answer must be second. Clear? This topic is very, very easy. Once you understood the concept of this topic is nothing but very easy topic. Very easily we can score a 5 out of 5 in the exam. Very, very easily we can get the score. Okay, go for the next one. Okay. Here I have to find the relation between C and A. C and A. Okay. C and A. So everywhere I can see face is towards C, and equal to can't be there. Equal to can't be there, as this symbol doesn't have equal to. This face doesn't have equal to. Equal to is only possible if all the faces will have equal to. So my final answer will be, out of C and A, relation will be there and face is towards C. Face is towards C, correct. Face is towards, this is wrong. So answer is only one. Go for the next one, question number 6. I have to find the relation between P and Q. So in between P and Q, I can see both the faces together. And if they have both the faces, means what? No relation is possible. First is wrong. No relation means what? Whatever they have given is wrong. Second, Q and M. Q and M. Again, in between Q and what I can see, both the faces has come. So again, no relation. Second is also wrong. Clear? Okay. Seventh one. V and S. V and S. If I see V and S, both the faces has come. Both the faces has come. One is towards S, one is towards V. Wrong. V and T. V and T. If I just see V and T, what I can see? Only one face has come towards V. So towards V, and equal to is not there, so equal to is not going to come. So this is going to come, second is correct. Okay, go for the eighth one. M and Q. M and Q, both the faces has come, so no relation. First is wrong. Q and M. Q and M. Again I will say both the faces has come, so this is also wrong. The answer will be both of them is wrong. If both the faces is going to come in between any variable, in that case no relation is possible. The only condition to establish the relation between any two variable is they must have same faces in between them. All the faces should be same. Okay, Y and V. Y and V. I can say all the faces is towards Y. Absolutely okay. Equal to is not there. Equal to won't be there. First is correct. All the faces is towards Y. I can see all the faces is towards Y. And equal to is not there, so I will not take equal to. First is correct. W and U. See here I can see all the faces is towards W. Absolutely okay. Equal to is not there. Equal to should not be there. Correct. Both of them is correct. Both of them is correct. Clear? Go for the 10th one. M and Q. Oh, just see both the faces has come. Both the faces has come. First is wrong. And an R. And an R. Again, both the faces has come. Wrong. If both the faces is going to come in between any two variable, no relation is possible. No, nothing can be possible now. Clear? Okay. Let's go by 11th one. First is T and R. T and R. All the faces is towards T and equal to is not there. First is correct. Simply you have to see the face and then you have to mark the answer. Simply see the face and mark the answer. Next one, T and Q. Both the faces has come. Wrong. R and P. R and P, all the faces are towards P and equal to is not there. Correct. Just see R and P, all the faces are towards P. And since equal to is not there, equal to should not come. Correct. Q and P. Q and P, they have given faces towards P and equal to. Here face is towards Q. Wrong. Clear? Next one. M and Q. Both the faces has come. Wrong. And an R. Both the faces has come. Wrong. Not possible. Next one. Okay, now they have not combined this one, so leave it. I will discuss in the next class. How to, they have not combined this one with this one, so leave it. I will go with the next class. Okay, let's start with this one. A and E. A and E, what I will say, both the faces has come, so not possible. C and F. All the faces are towards F and equal to is not there, so second is correct. Clear? Okay. Go with the type 2, 15th one. Okay, first one, T and R. Both the symbol has come, both the faces has come, not possible. P and R. Both the faces has come, not possible. Q and S. Yes, all the faces are towards Q and equal to is not there, so equal to should not be there. S and P. Both the faces has come. Wrong. The answer is only third is correct. Clear? So in today's class, we have understood how to combine the statement and thereafter how to get the relation between them. Combination we have understood over here. This is a combined statement. If they will give uncombined statement, then my first job is to combine them. This is what we have combined, and now stick for the answer. First one, F and B. F and B is what? Face is towards F. Face is towards F, wrong. Face should be towards F, face is towards B, wrong. F and G. F and G, I will say both the faces has come, wrong. A and G, both the faces has come, wrong. A and C, both the faces has come, wrong. The answer is all of them are wrong. All of them are wrong. Clear? Next one. This is the uncombined statement what they have given, and this is what we have done. We have combined the statement together. Now let's check with the options. G and A. I will say all the faces should be towards G. All the faces is towards G, and equal to is there, so equal to must be there. First is correct. First is correct. Next one, G and O. But I will say all the faces are towards G, so it must be towards G, but equal to is not there, so equal to should not be over there. They have given equal to, second is wrong. Anywhere if there is a conflict between the whatever answer we are getting and whatever conclusion they have given, always that will be treated as wrong conclusion. There should not be, the conclusion should be as it is what we are getting from here. Equal to is missing, wrong. Equal to additional they have given, wrong. Has to be same as it is. Next one, H and M. And between H and M, both the faces has come, wrong. H and G. H and G already they have given, S should be this, correct. 4. Clear? So in today's class we have understood the concept how to combine the statement and thereafter how to get the answer. Okay, we'll start from here in the next class, because after 10 minutes I have my second class also, my dear. So I'm stopping here only, and I will continue from here in the next class tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Tomorrow at 6 o'clock we will cover the case of either or. What is the concept of either or? How to check either or, most typical part. And in the third class I will go for banking level questions, which is called as coded inequalities type. That I will cover in the next class. So 3 to 4 classes I'm going to spend on this topic, and hopefully after 3 to 4 classes you will be absolutely comfortable. Okay, with this hope that you must have liked the class, and hopefully you are going to come in tomorrow's session also at 6 p.m. and you must have shared this class with all your friends and relatives also. I am ending this class here only, and that's all for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all. Thank you so much.